Welcome! So in this tutorial, I'm gonna show you or teach you on how to make aggressive shakes on Alight motion. So if you want to know how I did it, just keep on watching. So first of all, if you're using your Android device, don't worry because the process is still the same. So let's get started. So first of all, you want to open your Alight motion application. Click on the plus sign so that we can add the image that you want later on. So before we do that, you want to choose the size and then the resolution and the frame rate. Okay. So after that, you can also choose the background. Okay. So here at the project, you want to click on create project. Now to add the image that you want, click on the plus sign at the lower right corner of your screen. Click on the media and add the image that you want. Okay, so let me just go ahead and adjust that. Now you want to click on effects at the lower right corner of your screen. Click on add effect and you want to choose the move slash transform and choose auto shake. Okay, so now here you want to click on transition in and at the frequency you want to set it on max. Okay, so now what you need to do is to click on the add effect again and you want to click on blur, choose motion blur, add a standard, and then here you can change the tune of it. So in this part it really depends on you. So I'll be choosing 2.30. Then after that, click on the drop down arrow, click on add effect again, and click on move slash transform. And you want to click on auto shake. And this time you want to choose the transition out. Okay. Now just go ahead and set again the frequency to the max. And then after that, let's just go ahead and check the project. So as you can see, that is how you do it. So just go ahead and export your video, and that's it. I hope this video helped you, and if it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification so you won't miss a video. See you on the next one and have a great day.